What are you guys doing this evening? I am at it again. However, I finally put finish on it. It's first coat, still drying. It's fresh. I sanded it to 1200, and then we'll see when I get done putting this coat. Once it dries, I'll sand it at 1200, and then I'll put another coat. I'm planning on 3 full coats, and I want to get it to about 2000 grit. So we shall let this dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll put some sand into it, and then we'll put another coat. So hopefully tomorrow night will be finished, and then I'll show you everything as a finished product. It really soaked it in real quick here because this was all wet. So that soaked it in. I know it's already starting to dry, so I'm going to wait until tomorrow, and after sanding and then another coat, it'll look fine. But yep, that's what I'm up to. I got a lot of stuff over here that I've been making lately. Here's a couple projects here. These are actually going to be knife. Oh, sorry about that, folks. I shut my door on my camera. But these are going to be like kitchen knife magnet holders here. And these are just the rough stages here, so nothing's rounded off or anything. And then I got some beautiful charcuterie boards. I got black walnut and honey locust. Look at these things. This one I just made. This is a big one here. This is like 24 inches ish, maybe a little longer. Look at the grains. Isn't that awesome? Look at these. That is just awesome. Thanks to my buddy Adam at Urban Sawmilling. He really gave me some prime selection here. These things are just, I mean, it's almost iridescent. The camera doesn't do it justice, but these grains, these things are so like the depth for being just board butter on there. These things are pretty impressive. Honey locust, and then every one of them branded by Z. Yours truly. Yep, pretty nice. I love it. Then we got a couple like just miscellaneous candle holders here. These are made out of walnut, oak, and black walnut. This one I'm not done yet. This one's actually going to be a squirrel feeder. And then I got this candle holder here. This thing came out real nice. It's got black walnut for the center, and then red oak for the outers. And what's cool is when you burn your tea light, it'll glow through the sides. So I thought that was a nice little feature. And look at this thing. I mean, this thing is awesome. It holds 5 tea lights or votive candles. I got the holders for the votive candles. But yeah, I'll include the votive candles and tea lights and everything. So that came out really nice. But yeah, I've been accumulating a lot of projects here. Just thought I'd show you a few. Yep. Super cool. I guess that's about it for tonight, everyone. Happy farming, y'all. Later.